Hi, I'm Rahul and welcome to Figures and Wheels. In this video, like the cover page says, we're going to be talking about the GoBoult Ford Mustang official watch. This is the watch and this is the packaging. It's an amazing 1.43-inch LED. Comes with a functional paddle shift. It's got Ford Mustang exclusive, watch faces. And apart from that, a lot of other features which is very common in most of your smartwatches. But the highlight about this, it's like an official collector's watch. Comes with the official, the Ford Mustang hologram and some amazing cool looking stickers and all of that. And when you start the watch, it gives the official, the Mustang starting sound and all of that. So I bought this on Amazon. Purchase link is mentioned in the video's description. Come on, let's get into the video. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Ours is a new channel, so look forward to all your support. Like I said earlier, we bought this product on Amazon. If you guys want to purchase, link is mentioned in this video's description. Until our next video, bye bye.